In round 4, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set off 1 increase 2 single crochets for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. The chain stitch is to raise the height and will not be counted into the number of stitches. Then work 1 increase and 2 single crochets as one set. Work 1 increase in the first stitch. We need to work 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Mark the first single crochet and work 1 more single crochet in the same stitch. Then work 2 single crochets. The second set, work 1 increase in the next stitch. We need to work 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 2 single crochets. The third set, work 1 increase in the next stitch. We need to work 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 2 single crochets. The fourth set, work 1 increase and 2 single crochets. The fifth set, work 1 increase and 2 single crochets. The sixth set, work 1 increase and 2 single crochets. Six sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. The slip stitch services as connection is not counted into the number of stitches. Round 4 is done. We'll crochet with the front side always facing towards us. This neat and clear side facing us is the front. This side with the yarn tail is the back of the fabric. In round 5, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set off 3 single crochets, 1 increase for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 3 single crochets and 1 increase as one set. Work 3 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. And continue to work 2 more single crochets. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. One set is done. The second set, work 3 single crochets. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. The second set is done. The third set, work 3 single crochets. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. We have demonstrated the 3 sets. Please finish the rest of 3 sets by yourself. Work 3 single crochets and 1 increase as one set. 6 sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 5 is done. In round 6, start with 1 chain stitch, and then work 30 single crochets. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Then work 1 single crochet in each stitch. There will be 30 single crochets in total in this round. Mark the first single crochet and continue to work single crochets in the same way. Finish a total of 30 single crochets in this round. 30 single crochets are done. Remove marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Tighten up. Round 6 is done. Please finish round 7 in the same way as round 6. Work 1 chain stitch, 30 single crochets, and 1 slip stitch in turn. Round 7 is done. In round 8, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set off 2 single crochets, 1 increase 2 single crochets for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 slip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. The first set. Work 2 single crochets. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 2 single crochets. Two single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets are finished once it is done. The second set. Work 2 single crochets. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 2 single crochets. The second set is done. The third set. Work 2 single crochets. In the next stitch, work 1 increase, which means working 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Then work 2 single crochets. We have demonstrated the 3 sets. Please finish the rest of the 3 sets by yourself. Work 2 single crochets, 1 increase, and 2 single crochets as 1 set. Six sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 slip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Tighten up. Round 8 is done.